Hi everyone, it's Kathy with another video here from House of TOEFL, and today I want to talk about what goes through my head when I'm answering speaking question 1. And hopefully this will help you answer speaking question 1 as well. I know a lot of you struggle with speaking question 1. So what I like to do is pretend there's an imaginary child next to me, a 5-year-old child, and that child is asking me, why? And I'm answering that child out loud. But then when I'm done answering that question of why, I also give the result. And giving a result can boost your score. So let's see how this works with an example. Imagine I have the prompt, do you agree or disagree with the following statement? Museum admission should be free to the public. So I have to quickly make a decision, and let's say that I decide that it should be free. And the reason I'm going to go with is that not everyone can afford admission. So I would say, okay, personally, I think that museum admission should be free to the public because not everyone in my community can afford to go to the museum. Then that question comes, why? This is because many people in my community are unemployed. The question, why? The reason for this is because many of the factories and stores in my community have laid people off and they no longer have a job. Okay, what's the result? As a result, they don't have any extra money to go to the museum. And so I think it should be free so they can get educational information. So by giving my reason, answering why, and then by giving a result, I've automatically made my answer to question 1 stronger, and I will get a better grade. Now, of course, my answer was very short. It was just an example. You have to speak like that for 45 seconds. But thinking of those tricks and keeping that in mind can help make your answers smoother and help you to brainstorm as you're speaking. So try it yourself. Go and find some speaking question 1s on the internet and answer them by giving a reason, answering the question why, and then giving a result. Once you see how easy this is, hopefully you'll have a lot better answers for question 1. Okay, thank you. Again, this is Kathy from House of TOEFL. Have a great day, and as always, good luck on your TOEFL test.